Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapters 4 of English literature, that is honeysuckle. Dear students, in this chapter I have explained the whole chapter in detail. Those who did not attend the previous classes can watch the video at my YouTube channel. Okay students, today we will discuss the word meaning of this chapter. The name of the chapter is An Indian American Woman in Space, Kalpana Chawla. Dear students, this chapter is totally based on the life of Kalpana Chawla, struggle of Kalpana Chawla in her life. Dear students, today we will discuss the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Okay students, so just open your notebook of English literature, the textbook, that is honeysuckle. First of all, we will discuss the word meaning of this chapter. Then after we will discuss the question answer. Then after we will discuss the exercises given in the chapter. Okay students, so just see the word meaning first. Yes students, you put the heading word meaning and make two columns. There are two columns, word and meaning. Okay students, you will make two columns, word and meaning. Okay, and just write down, there are some important words. First one you write naturalized. Naturalized. Naturalized means adopted. Naturalized means adopted. Adopted. Okay, naturalized means adopted. Adopted means स्वीकार करना. Okay, just see the word naturalized. Naturalized means adopted. Kalpana Chawla adopted the citizenship of America. Okay, she is a naturalized citizenship of America. She is naturalized citizen of America. It means she did not do birth there. She adopted the citizenship of that country, that is America. Okay students, so just write down this word naturalized. Naturalized means adopted. Come to the next word. Just see. That is also very important. Frontiers of space. Frontiers. Frontiers of space. Distance. Frontiers. Frontiers means border. Border. You see, write down. A line or border. Students, I am writing here. A line or border you see, a line or border separating two countries. Separating two countries. Students, I am writing here, separating two countries. Separating two countries. COUNTRIES. Okay, just see. Frontiers of space means a line or border separating two countries. Okay students, so just write down. Naturalized means adopted. Frontiers of space means a line or border separating two countries. Come to the next. Third. The third word is blast off. Blast off. B-L-A-S-T. Blast off. Blast off means take off. Blast off means take off. Means take off. take off from a launching site. From a launching, L-A-U-N-C-H-I-N-G, from a launching site. Means उड़ जाना. Blast off means take off from a launching site. Okay students, just write down. Blast off means take off. And come to the next word. Yes students, I am going to erase it. Naturalized means adopted. Frontiers of speech means a line or border separating two countries. And the next, blast off means take off from a launching site. And come to the next word. Certified. Yes students, I am going to erase it. Just see, certified. Fourth, certified. Certified. F-I-E-D. Certified. Certified means attest or confirm in formal statement. Just write down attest. Attest or confirm attest or confirm in a formal statement. In a formal statement. Okay students, just write down. Just see, certified means attest or confirm in a formal statement. प्रमाणित करना जिसको कहते हैं. Certified means attest or confirm in a formal statement. Okay, so just write down. Come to the next word. That is fifth. Just write down the word. What is fifth? Glued to. Glued to means stick. Stick. S-T-I-C-K. Stick. Glue. Glue means चिपकना. Glue to means stick. जैसे glue to means चिपकना. Stick. Come to the next. 6. Enormous. E-N-O-R-M-O-U-S. Enormous. Enormous means very big. Enormous means very big. Write down. Broad. Enormous means very large in size. Very large in size. In size. Very large in size. Quantity or extent. Quantity. Q-U-A-N-T-I-T-Y. Quantity or extent. E-X-T-E-N-T. Okay. Just write down. Certified means attest or confirm in a formal statement. And glued to means stick. And enormous means very large in size or quantity or extent. Okay students, so just write down these word meaning in your notebook with neat and clean handwriting. And after completing this word meaning, we will discuss the question answer. Yes students, these 6 words are very very important for your exam. And these 6 words meaning you will learn, okay, with correct spelling. And In this way, we have completed the word meaning of this chapter. Now, we will discuss the question answer which is given in your book in the chapter number 4. Just see, question answer. Dear students, it is written here. Just see, working with the text. It is given, questions are given at the page number 50. Questions are given at the page number 50, working with the text. Just see students, this is the question answer. Exercise first A. Answer the following question. That is exercise A. Yes students, that is exercise A. In this exercise, you have to answer the question. You see, what is the question? Yes students, you will write the question from your book. Okay? I will read the question only and I will write the answer on the board. Okay? You will write the answer from the board, but you will write the question from your book. It is given at the page number 50. Just see students, what is the first question? Where was Kalpana Chawla born? That is very simple. You all have read this chapter. You all have read the life of Kalpana Chawla. Where was Kalpana Chawla born, and why is she called an Indian American? Yes students, in the previous class when I was explaining this chapter, I had taught you that she took birth in Karnal, in Chandigarh or Haryana, I think. Yes, it is in Haryana. It is in Haryana. And why is she called an Indian American? Yes students, I have already told you that why is she called an Indian American woman. Yes students, she took birth in India, but she had also citizenship of America. Therefore, she is known as Indian American woman. Okay? Just see, just write down the answer. That is the question first. Where was Kalpana Chawla born? Why is she called an Indian American? That is the first question. And I am going to write the answer students. You will write the question from your book. Just write down the question from your book. And after completing the question, you will write the answer of this question. Okay? So just see the answer of this question. Yes students, I am going to write. You will also write Kalpana Chawla was born. Kalpana Chawla was born Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal town. In Karnal, C-K-A-R-N-A-L. Okay students, I think it is visible. You can see Karnal, K-A-R-N-A-L. Karnal town. Haryana. She also had the citizenship of United States of America. She also had the citizenship students, I am writing ship here. Okay, this side down. She also had the citizenship of United States of America. Of United States of America. As she was married to and married to an American married to an American just see students, she also had the citizenship of United States of America. Dear students, sorry, it is not written here. United States citizen. As he was married to an American and become its naturalized citizen. Naturalized just see, an American and become its naturalized citizen. CITIZEN, naturalized citizen. So she was called an Indian American. So she was called an Indian American. An Indian American. Okay, students, just write down this answer. Kalpana Chawla was born in Karnal town, Haryana. She also had the citizenship of United States of America, as she was married to an American and become its naturalized citizen. So she was called an Indian American. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number first of exercise number first. Okay, students, so you write down this answer in your notebook, and after completing this answer, come to the next question, question number B. Yes, students, question number B. And what is the question number B, students? Just see, when and why did she go to US? When and why did she go to US? Who did she marry? Whom did she marry? Yes, students, we all know that she went US for higher studies, for a master degree, and she married to an American citizen, and the name of that person is Harrison, I think. It is written here, Jean Pierre Harrison. Okay? So this is the answer. Dear students, first of all you write this answer number first. Then after you put the question, you write the question number second, and after completing the answer, after completing the question, we will discuss the answer of question number second. Okay, students, just see. Question number second. Okay, you have written the question, I think. When and why did she go to United States, US? Who did she marry? Just write down. After completing her bachelor degree, after completing her bachelor degree, After completing her Bachelor of Science, students, you will write here Bachelor of Science, SCIENCE. Students, I hope that it is visible. SCIENCE. Okay, students, write down. After completing her Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical and aeronautical engineering Kalpana Chawla went to US. Kalpana Chawla went to US. US is United States. Okay, went to US. Went to USA, United States of America, for higher studies. For higher studies. STUDIES. For higher studies. She married an United States citizen. She married an United States STATES, United States citizen, 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 Jean Pierre Harrison, Jean Pierre, PIERRE, Pierre Harrison, HARRISON. Okay, just write down this answer. After completing her Bachelor of Science degree in aeronautical engineering, Kalpana Chawla went to USA, United States of America, for higher study. She married an United States citizen, Jean Pierre Harrison. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 2 of exercise number A. Okay, students, so just complete it in your notebook. And after completing it, you will write the next question, question number 3. Okay, students, just write down the question number 3. What is the question number 3? How did she become an astronaut? How did she become an astronaut? What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Yes, students, how did she become an astronaut? You have to write the answer of this question. And there is one more question included in this question. What gave her the idea that she could be an astronaut? Okay, so after completing the answer number 2, you write the question number 3. Okay, students, after completing the question number 3, write down the answer. Yes, students, I am going to erase it. I hope that you all have done. Come to the next question, question number 3. Just write down, students, the question number 3. And after completing the question, you will write the answer. After qualifying as a pilot, after qualifying as a pilot, After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana Chawla After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana Chawla applied for NASA's applied for NASA's space program. PROGRAM. NASA space program. Okay. PROGRA. Dear students, that is also correct spelling of program, and there is one more spelling of program, PROGRAMME. Dear students, I am going to write that spelling. Space program, PROGRAMME. Okay, just write down this spelling. Program, PROGRAMME, and full stop will be there. Just see. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana Chawla applied for NASA's space program. She was first taken as a research scientist. She was first taken as research scientist. SCIENTIST. Research scientist. She was first taken as a research scientist at NASA. You will write in capital NASA, and was trained TRAINEB, and was trained as an astronaut. ASTRONAUT. Okay, students, just see. Trained as an astronaut. NAUT. Dear students, the letter T is not visible, but you will write astronaut. 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 Her success as a pilot. Motivated her to become an astronaut. Okay, students, just write down. This is the answer of question number 3. After qualifying as a pilot, Kalpana Chawla applied for NASA's space program. She was first taken as research scientist at NASA and was trained as an astronaut. And her success as a pilot motivated her to become an astronaut. Okay students, this is the answer of question number 3. So students, today we have discussed the word meaning of this chapter and question answer, question number 1st, 2nd and 3rd, and there are 3 questions that is left. In the next class we will discuss that question and other exercises of this chapter. Okay students, so that's all for today. If you have any kind of doubts, you can ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.